Jio network problem. Now Jio is one of the biggest telecom networks in India with a market share of almost 32% in terms of wireless subscribers as of March 2021. So if we talk about numbers, it's more than 360 million users. And since this is such a huge number, you can be sure that there will be some issue or the other. In fact, there are so many issues. We have made multiple videos on different types of Jio issues. You can check those out as well. But today, we are specifically going to talk about a very common yet critical problem, that is Jio network not working. So here's what the problem actually is. A lot of people, especially those who are living in rural areas or even in some parts of metro cities, they don't get a proper network connection. They either face 4G or 3G, or sometimes they even face H only. And trust us, this is a serious problem because in case of an emergency you won't be able to make a call or send messages or even use the internet. Even in metros there are certain pockets where the network is just bad. The call drops are too much. Sometimes when you are in your office cabin, the network goes down for no reason, and sometimes the network goes down for long durations of time, and all these things are really annoying. The good thing is that now this problem has come to an end. Today, we are going to show you how you can fix the Jio network not working problem, and it doesn't matter whether you are in the remotest of the villages or in a high-rise building in Mumbai. This method will work everywhere, but before we go ahead, let me tell you one thing, that this is not a paid promotion. We are not promoting Jio here. All we want is to help you fix your network issue once and for all. Now coming back to the solution, there are two ways to fix it. One is by dialing a USSD code, and the second way is by using the MiJio app. Let's start with the first method. To improve the 4G or 5G network on your phone, you just need to dial star 99,999 star and then call. Once you do this, you will see that there is a menu here. It says Welcome to the Jio Network Optimization. It says your phone is not registered with the network. Please register by clicking on Register Now option. If your phone is already registered, you can skip this step and you can directly go to the next step. It says Analyzing Network Quality. Wait for some time, and then it says Network Optimization done. Once you see this message, you can exit the menu and restart your phone. And guess what? Your network should be fixed. That's it. Simple, right? But there are cases where this does not work, so let me show you the second method. For that, you will need a smartphone, and this smartphone must have the MiJio app installed. Now most of you might have this app installed, but still if you haven't, you can go to the Google Play Store and install it. Now open the MiJio app and log into your account. On the home screen itself, you will see that there is something called Network Optimization. Tap on that. Now it will take you to this page where you will see that there is a button which says Network Optimization. Click on that button and wait for some time until the process completes. Once it's done, it will show you a message that says your device will restart automatically. Before that, you can also restart it manually by clicking on Restart Now option. After restarting your phone, the problem of Jio network not working should be solved. Now before we wrap up the video, let me tell you some additional tips as well. First of all, if you are the one who uses dual SIM, then please make sure that you are using the primary SIM of Jio. Secondly, if you are in a place where there are too many people, like say, you are at a metro station, or at a concert, or maybe at a wedding, then try going to an isolated place and then try calling. Because when there are too many people, everyone is using their phones. And that's why there can be a problem of call drops, or maybe you are not able to make calls. Also, if you are using a very old phone, then it might happen that the network is not working. So you can try changing your SIM in another phone, and that should solve your purpose. Also, there can be times when the problem is not with your phone or with your SIM, but the problem is with the tower itself. Because sometimes due to weather conditions or technical reasons, the tower itself goes down. So to check that, what you can do is you can use a website. Just write my location on the website and see what comes up. So here we can see that there is a tower which is near us, and there is another tower which is quite far from us. Now if the tower which is near us goes down, then what happens is all the mobile users, not only the Jio users, everyone suffers. So in that case there is nothing that you can do. All you can do is wait for the service to be fixed. Now one thing that I want to point out here is that the Jio network issue is not only limited to the call connectivity, But sometimes people also face issues with the internet speed. Sometimes people say that the 4G that we are paying for, it's not that we are getting the speed. So here's how you can check the speed. Open the browser and write fast.com. Once you do this, you will see that there is a video that plays. Now this video starts playing and you can see that the buffering starts happening. Here's our internet speed and it's fine, but if you see there is a buffering here, that means there can be a problem with the speed. If you are facing this kind of an issue, you can change the app and try checking the speed over there. Sometimes it happens that the app itself is giving you a wrong measurement. Apart from that, you can also use the speed test app. It's a very popular app and you can check the download speed and the upload speed. And once you do that, if you find that the speed is less than what you are paying for, then what you can do is you can contact your customer care. You can call 1299 and then explain them the issue. Then they will check it out and then they will fix it. So this is what you can do if you are facing the issue of Geo network not working. Now, while we were doing the research for this topic, we came across one more interesting thing. Some people were saying that the 5G network of Geo is not as good as the 4G network, and because of that they are facing call drops or the call quality is not good. So we wanted to ask you that, are you a subscriber of Geo 5G? And if yes, then is the network good or bad? Share your experience in the comments section below. In the meantime, let me show you some interesting videos that will help you become a pro at using your phone. You can see these videos and pick up anyone and click on that. These videos are very useful and they will help you fix various types of problems that you might be facing on your phone. And if you want to watch more videos like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that we can keep you updated. Also, if you think our videos are helpful, then you can support us using the link in the description. So thank you for watching, take care, and have a nice day.